Welcome back to Singer's channel. Today our topic is how to transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy S21. The tool you need: your iPhone, Samsung Galaxy S21, two original USB cables that come with the phone, and a usable Singer's data transfer. For start, open Singer's toolkit on your computer and initiate the phone transfer module. Go ahead, connect your two phones to computer with the USB cable, and Singer's data transfer will recognize them. Look, if the transfer direction is opposite, simply tap the flip button at the middle to switch the position. After that, click the next button to move on. As you can see in the coming window, these file tabs are freely to choose for a data migration. Now click on the next button to order the program to extract and download the selected data from your iPhone. Right now, you may get a notice, Clear data before copy, which is to clear all the data on your Samsung Galaxy S21. But if you want to keep your data, take it off before you instruct to the next step. Alright, tap the next button again to start the transfer. The same, if your database is enlarged, keep more patience on the transfer process. And Sinkers will have to skip those duplicates for a smart time saving. Okay, well done. Check the transfer data on your Samsung Galaxy S21 as you want. If you want more help with Singer's data transfer, you can use this tool to restore backup from your computer. Also restore iTunes backup, restore iTunes library to your Samsung Galaxy S21. And for the backup module, you can simply backup your Samsung Galaxy S21 to your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you next time.